change your lifestyle in 2025, this is the video that you have to watch from the beginning to the end, because we have a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your lifestyle in 2025. Now, the goal of this year is to actually work smart and not work hard. Yes, we are not overstressing it this year, but we are planning to make a difference this year, and we are planning to make a lot of money this year. So in this video, you'll be seeing a lot, you'll be hearing a lot. So I advise you to watch from the beginning to the end so that you know which one actually resonates with you and which one you will have to pick for this year. Welcome back, beautiful people. So happy new year and welcome back to 2025. So let me start first by saying thank you to all our subscribers for sticking with us. Last year was not straight. You get what I mean? If you're seeing our video for the very first time, my name is Kemi and this is Kemi of Side Hustle. All we do here is to share financial tips on how to improve your lifestyle online, how to better and scale up. So I do my research, and I do my research on website that actually works well and website that pay you to make money online, and I come here to share with you. Now in this year we're going to be having a slight change in our presentation, in our looks, in our make money lifestyle this year. So we're going to be sharing a lot. So please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and if you're a lady like me out there and you're looking to upscale your financial life, please turn on the post notification, switch it up, baby. So in this video today, we'll be sharing ideas on how to make money online in 2025. Now this is the video that you will see. This will be like the first video that you will see this year, and it will be mind-blowing because I'll be spilling a lot of tea. So I'll advise you to stick to the end of this video. Now, for you to actually make money as a beginner, because this is a beginner's guide. This is a beginner's guide. So as a beginner, for you to actually make money, the first step is your mindset. Yes, I'll share a lot of ideas, but the first step is your mindset as a beginner. Do not bring in last year's mindset if you don't want to be seeing last year's results. You understand? So you have to change your mindset. You have to switch your mindset up. Now, this mindset lifestyle does not actually cost you a penny. Yes, you have to be determined that this year you're going to choose something to focus on and work on until it becomes successful. Now that is mindset. You have to have a positive mindset. Invest in your mindset. It might take a day or 3 days before you can actually think and realize what you want to do, but I'll be sharing a lot of things in this video that you can actually pick from and do them this year, and I assure you that you will see excellent results but if you start doing them this year. Now the fifth one is the easiest, so if you stick with me to the end of this video, the last idea is actually the easiest idea that you can actually come across on this street. At this point, if you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. Second idea I'll be sharing with you. As a beginner, I assume that you do not have a lot of cash. You understand? So I'll be advising you to start taking on micro jobs. When I mean micro jobs, I mean jobs like subscribing to a channel, liking a video, posting a comment, sharing a video, and people will pay you in return for doing that for them. Now these are called micro jobs. Now you can get these micro jobs on websites like TaxRabbit or website like owodeli.com if you're in Nigeria or Africa, owodeli.com, and even if you're in the diaspora or wherever you are, you can sign up on TaxRabbit. These are micro jobs websites where you get to do simple jobs and actually make money online, and then when you cash out those money, that will actually be you investing, or that will actually be you earning from what you do. Next idea that we have here is to build a social media presence. Now a lot of you will tell me that, oh Kemi, I'm camera shy, I can't do this, I can't come on social media, I can post myself. You do not have to post yourself. You understand? You can just use ChatGPT to actually script out content for you, and then you start posting. Now those content, all you have to do is download images on Pixabay or any free copyright any free website that you can download free images, and then you compile them on Canva and then you upload it. Now you start to build your social media presence depending on the niche you choose. You understand? So let's assume I choose a food niche. All I will do is to share different ideas about food. Yeah, different ideas, maybe nutrition, maybe what you have to eat when you're pregnant, what you have to eat when you're fasting, what you have to eat when you're trying to lose weight. These are eating ideas, or these are food ideas that people actually want to know of. So you build a social media presence around it. Now when you build that social media presence around it, you can then get products where you can work as an affiliate marketer and make your commission from it. Whatever social media page you actually choose to work on. Now this will actually take you approximately 3 to 6 months, but by the 6 months, if you are consistent, you'll be making nothing less than 100 or 200k on the social media account that you have actually opened and actually built, focusing on a particular niche. Actually work as a tutor where you actually teach students, maybe English or mathematics. You can just decide to teach your field. Whichever field you choose is fine. You go on websites like Superprof or Tutor Me. Those websites are easily accessible for people in Africa or people in diaspora. They are easily accessible and they accept people. So all you have to do is sign up on those websites, and by the end of the month you should be making nothing less than $150. Now here is a catch to starting up as a tutor on online websites. You have to offer free trial, maybe for a week or two, depending on how good you are. Offer free trial for a week or two. You can use websites like Zoom or app like Zoom or Google Meet to actually, convey your message with your students or actually tutor them. So it is very, very easy and it is very free. It is free to sign up on. And then you can use any mobile phone. All you need is a plain background and your face. The next one is actually to sell print on demand. Now, a lot of us don't know that we have a company here in Africa that can actually make your print on demand business easy. Yes, we have companies in Africa that can make your print on demand business easy. Anywhere you are in Africa, all you have to do is to use Canva to design maybe your t-shirt, your cap, your mug, your album, anything that you want to design. You can use Canva to make that design on that particular object. Now I will advise you to easily start with artwork. You understand, artwork of maybe a lady looking pretty, an African lady on the bag, something like that. I will advise you to start using the artwork. Now the next thing you have to do is to sign up on the print on demand website. You can decide to use Teespring or any print on demand website. Now at this point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do what to hit the subscribe button if you're getting content, because this last idea I've shared with you is actually the easiest you can come across on the internet. In fact, print on demand do not cost you a penny. It is simply free. So their services are quite easy to use. Their website is quite easy to use. All you have to do is to open a TikTok account, post your pictures or your designs with trending songs, and once you post your designs with trending songs, post consistently, maybe 3 videos in a day, and post your designs with trending songs. So once you do that, relax and just watch people click on that website, and make sure you have your website link in your bio so that people can click on the website and actually place an order with you, and in return you make a commission from that. You make your money from what you have actually printed or what you have actually designed. It is as simple as that. With that being said, guys, I would simply advise you to try and pick up something early in this year, so that this year will definitely not be like last year. It will be different in a positive way than last year, because once you're able to pick up something good this year, you will know how to start, you know how to focus, you know where to put your strength, you know where to put your time and get value from whatever you intend to do this year. So with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.